Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. This is the first lesson in the NumPy introduction section. NumPy is a Python built-in library used for working with arrays. That's it simply. NumPy also stands for numerical Python. This library has many useful functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. Also, it is an open source library. You can use it for free. NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50x faster than the traditional Python lists. Now let me show you how to import the NumPy library using the import keyword. And after that we will create a simple NumPy array. As you can see in this example, in this case we have imported the NumPy library from the Python standard library using the import keyword first here. And it is ready to use after placing this line. And after that we simply created a simple array using the array method with the NumPy library. And this array has 5 items of integer data types. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We separated them using comma as you can see, and we placed all of them inside square brackets in between the parentheses of the array method. And also you should know that NumPy is usually imported under the NP alias. So what is the meaning of alias? In Python programming language, alias are an alternate name for referring to the same thing. And you can simply create an alias with the as keyword while importing NumPy. Now the NumPy package or library can be referred to as NP instead of NumPy. Okay, what about checking NumPy version? Okay, simply you can check the NumPy version using the version attribute. Let's go ahead to use the version attribute. We got the NumPy version that we are using. This version is 1.18.5. You can't use the NumPy library until you import it. NumPy library is used to work with arrays. The array object in NumPy is called ndArray. As we saw previously, we can create a NumPy ndArray object by using the array function or method. It is a built-in function. Let's use the type built-in function to know the type of this array. The NumPy array belongs to this class, numpy.ndArray. The type built-in function in Python programming language is used to tell us the type of any object, exactly like this example here.